what is this on the board that you are seeing?
This is a vacuum cleaner.
This is a vacuum cleaner. So, what is the main work of the vacuum cleaner? Can you explain?
Yes.
Yes, explain now.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Jamin Mandura, from class 1B. Now I am going to say something about vacuum cleaner. This is a vacuum cleaner. It removes dust for carpet and floor. It keeps our house clean. Thank you.